Welcome to our tutorial on setting custom scheduling rules for each employee. Let's dive in. To enable custom scheduling rules for an employee, head to the Users page and access the relevant user. In the Employment tab, scroll down and click on Set Rules. At this stage, you can view existing company policies or add a new company policy that will apply to several users. Set a custom rule by clicking on Add Rule here. As an admin, you can decide whether you would like to set a maximum number of hours per day or week that a user can work or a maximum number of shifts per day or week they can work. You can also set a specified gap between shifts. Setting individualized scheduling rules helps ensure each employee's unique contract conditions are met. When publishing a new shift, an indication will appear if a scheduling rule has been exceeded. You can then choose to adjust the assigned user or proceed with publishing. When working on the schedule, you will see a red indication showing which rules have been exceeded. This can be accessed from the User's Hours summary by hovering over the indication. You can also view which rules have been exceeded by entering the Conflicts tab. By clicking on View, you will be directed to the week in which the rule has been exceeded. That's it! Thank you for watching. For further assistance, don't hesitate to check out more articles in our Help Center.